2024 Mercedes-AMG G63, luxury meets innovation with new suspension. The future of luxurious off-roading is getting a significant upgrade, and it's all happening under the iconic emblem of Mercedes. The 2024 Mercedes-AMG G63 is about to redefine the high-end SUV market with a cutting-edge semi-active suspension system, promising a blend of comfort and handling that has never been seen in the realm of luxury 4x4s. Autocar, the esteemed British automotive authority, recently had the exclusive chance to experience the pre-production model of the G63. What they revealed will excite auto aficionados and luxury enthusiasts alike. The upcoming G-Class is setting the stage for an innovative suspension system, something that's poised to be a quantum leap forward for the Mercedes-AMG line. The heart of this advancement lies in the semi-active kinetic suspension technology, which will take the place of traditional anti-roll bars. Imagine a system that adapts in real time, with electro-hydraulic flow valves finely tuning rebound and compression to match your driving conditions instantaneously. Whether you're cruising down the highway, taking tight turns, or tackling rough terrain, the G63 promises an unmatched level of poise and agility. This isn't just about feeling the difference, it's about the science behind it. The G-Class's new suspension is not only about dynamic performance, it's also lighter, reducing the overall weight and contributing to more efficient driving dynamics. As Ralph Hogg, head of suspension at Mercedes-AMG, tells us, the magic seen in the brand's sports cars with their semi-active, hydraulic roll stabilization is about to enhance the iconic off-roader. And while the US market waits with bated breath for the MY24 G-Class, the word on the street is that the MY25 model will be the one to watch, with market-specific details eagerly anticipated. Beneath the hood, the G63 isn't just about riding waves of air, it's also packing a hybrid powerhouse borrowed from the GLE63. With an electrically assisted twin-turbo 4.0-liter V8, you're looking at a beast ready to unleash 603 horsepower and 627 pound-feet of torque, an increase that will have performance junkies grinning from ear to ear. While the outer shell retains the timeless design language that has made the G-Class a staple in high-end circles, insiders suggest that the cabin will receive a makeover befitting the modern Mercedes ethos, complete with expansive displays and intuitive interfaces. As the automotive world turns its eyes to the horizon, the anticipation for the 2024 Mercedes-AMG G63 and its revolutionary ride experience is palpable. Set to debut next year, with the electric EQG also in the pipeline, it's clear that Mercedes-AMG isn't just stepping into the future, they're driving it. Stay tuned and rev up your expectations for a ride that promises to be nothing short of extraordinary.